Today I am going to show you how to do full screen settings on YouTube. So let's get started. Here I am going to open my YouTube app, and once I am there, then I am going to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now you have to click on the settings option at the bottom. After that, here I will select the general settings, and in general settings I will select zoom to full screen option, and then I will enable it. Once I enabled it, I will go back to show you how it looks like. Now I will play any video here. Let's play this video to see the results. When I click on the video, now I have to rotate my mobile phone. After rotating my mobile screen, it will look like this. As you can see, the video is playing on full HD. You can set your YouTube screen to full screen on any of your device, so you can enjoy a full HD video with cinematic feeling. So that's how you can do YouTube full screen settings.